Your mission, should you decide to accept it, is to know when to respond and when not to say nothing at all. As always, you always have a decision, but it is up to you to decide. This tape will self-destruct in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you're new to the episode, I go by the name of ED. For all you smart and intelligent folks out there, listen, that just simply means Ed. Today's episode is entitled Choosing Your Battles Wisely, Navigating the Professional World with Confidence. This is the extended version. You mind if I share a quote with you? It all begins and ends in your mind. What you give power to has power over you if you allow it. Les Brown. If you don't know, family, I have an 8-point framework. In these 8 points, I plan to unpack today's title, which is Choosing Your Battles Wisely, navigating the professional world with confidence. This is the extended version. Point number 1, know your objective.